Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the second half of the file menu in Google Vids. So let's say you're in your Google Vids edit page and you click over the file menu. A lot of these options are going to be pretty familiar if you're already used to working with Google Apps and Docs. You can rename the video file, you can move it, that's more organizational. The video may be in one place in Google Drive and you want to move it to a different place in Google Drive. You can add a shortcut to Drive that really just creates a shortcut so it doesn't have to be in a folder. It might be on your main list of files in Google Drive and you can just click on it there if it's really that important. If you're not happy with the product, you can move the product to trash. Like pretty much all Google apps, you can check the version history, just a really useful tool there. Check the details, who owns it, where's it stored. Check the language. Set this. This will basically change the language that menus are written in. And then security limitations. This one I'm not really used to. I haven't really used it before, but in order to learn more about this, what I did is I went to help and then I just searched for security limitations. And basically, what this does is when you share this file or other files like docs and slides and sheets, you can limit the ability of the people you share it with to only do certain things and to not allow them to do other things. And as I was looking through this, they actually give some pretty good reasons for why you might want to do this and why you might want to do it with specific limitations. Kind of a neat little feature. I didn't know about this one before, but if you have to keep track of things and you run a pretty tight ship and you want to manage everything correctly, you don't want certain things getting out. You don't want people doing things to the files. You can actually change what they're capable of doing by adjusting security limitations. Kind of a neat little thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.